Hey guys, it's Iridian and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I did this simple makeup look. It only takes about 10 minutes. I think it's perfect for school, work, college. It's pretty fast. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I already primed my face with this, the Benefit Professional. Next, I'll apply some of this green color corrector from Urban Decay on any redness or discoloration I may have. Then just blend it out with my beauty blender. For foundation today, I will be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I'm the color Honey Bronze. I'm just going to shake it up a little and apply it with the cotton swab. Because this foundation doesn't bring a pump, it's okay though because it's a very good foundation. To spot conceal, I will use MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC35. To lock everything in, I will use Maybelline's Master Fix Loose Setting Powder. Just tapping off the excess and applying it with a MAC powder brush. Next, I will contour with Anastasia's Stick Foundation in the color Espresso. I like using a beauty blender to blend it out. I do little bounces in an upward motion to blend it out. I feel like it works best like that. To prime my eyes, I will use Urban Decay's Primer Potion. Also, let me know what kind of videos you guys want me to do. Comment down below. So for this simple look, I will be using this color right here from the Tarte Pro palette. I will apply all over my lid with an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Then with the same color but a more fluffier brush, I will apply it on my crease and brow bone. The last color that I will be using will be this one right here, and with the Real Techniques crease brush, I will apply on my crease and making an outer V. Now this color is pigmented, so so you can do it as lightly or as dark as you wish. If you want something more lighter, then go lightly. Something more dark, then pack some more on. Just depends, I guess, how you prefer it. For my lower lash line, I'll be taking the darkest brown in this palette and applying it with Sigma's short shader brush. Then I will curl my eyelashes and apply Maybelline's Colossal Volume Express Mascara on both upper and lower lashes. For blush, I'm using Lancome's Delicate Oil-Free Powder Blush in the color Blushing Nude. I like this color because it looks natural. I mean, I could pack it on, but for today's look, I want something more simple. And lastly, for lips, I'm using this NARS lipstick. It's in the color Dolce Vita. Alright, so this completes the video. I hope you liked this simple look. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below. I post every Monday. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye!